everyone, welcome to Tasty Marination. Today I am going to share with you a recipe of crispy peri peri french fries. These are homemade preservative free french fries. The taste is as good as McDonald's french fries. So let's get started. Here I have taken 4 big size potatoes for french fries, and I have taken less starchy potatoes. Using a peeler, first we will peel all the potatoes. Here I have peeled all the potatoes. Now I will cut them into sticks. First I will cut it into 3 segments. Now I will cut them into fingers. And the thickness of the potato fingers should be like this. Now I will rinse them in ice cold water until the starch runs out clean. So add them in the water, ice cold water. I have rinsed the potatoes for 2 to 3 times in ice cold water. Now we will pat dry them in kitchen towel to remove excess moisture. Now I have pat dried them. Let's move on to the second process. Next we'll heat some oil in a wok to deep fry the french fries. For this recipe we don't need to parboil the potatoes. It's kind of very quick and easy recipe, and they taste equally good without boiling. When the oil is hot enough, drop them gently into the hot oil. Now we will deep fry them for 4 to 5 minutes until the potatoes turn tender, and make sure that they will not go brown at this stage. The oil should be medium hot. It's been 4 to 5 minutes. Now let's take them out onto a kitchen towel. And same way we will fry our next batch. Now I have fried all the potato fingers. I have fried them halfway. Now we let them cool down completely. At this stage you can freeze the fries in Ziploc bag up to 3 months. And once they are cooled completely, deep fry them in hot oil. Our potato fingers have cooled down completely. Let's fry them again. Heat the oil well to double fry the french fries. Once the oil is hot, add the potato fingers into the hot oil. Now fry them until they turn nice and crisp. Stir occasionally and fry until it turns golden brown and crisp. The flame should be on medium to make them crisp. Now they have become crispy and golden brown. Now I'm gonna take them out onto a kitchen towel. And same way we will fry all of them. Our french fries are now ready. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some peri peri masala on the french fries. Its recipe is available on my YouTube channel. You can check out the link in the description box below. This peri peri masala is completely optional, but it truly enhances the taste. Now mix them well. You can add only salt and red chili powder in it. Now our crispy french fries are ready to serve. I have served them with tomato ketchup. You can serve these as a side with burger or sandwiches. You can adjust the seasoning to your preferences. The french fries taste great when served hot and crispy. Enjoy these crispy french fries as a tea snack. I have served them in this beautiful miniature trolley. After watching the video, if you like my recipe, do hit the like button and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new recipes, and do not forget to subscribe to Tasty Marination for more such interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.